We're live.
We are freaking live. We are freaking live. Oh, what is up? It is fucking glorious.
We got some news for you guys.
We got some news coming. Everyone come get settled, get comfy, grab a coffee, maybe a cigarette, maybe a croissant. You know, grab whatever makes you get comfy. Luke, Jay, what's good? Top of the top.
Top of the top.
Top of the top. Top of the top, my friends.
I'm getting settled here, just marking out my charts. I'm a little behind.
Monday morning, we're not looking to bum rush the open, but we will get over. We'll go over some charts. I'll go over some things I see in the old brain. Drew, what's good? Charles, Taylor, the gang. What's up, guys? What's going on? How are we doing? How are we doing? Well, as we trickle in here, let's do the damn thing. Look at this. See, this is why I love drawn lines. When you see it, you can't unsee it, right? Look at this. Like, open at the bottom of the range. Now we're coming right back into this top of the range in the hundreds on the daily. Key little area right here. So, game plan. What we got today? Well, gap up overnight, almost 1%, which is nice. VIX is down 5%, also nice. The whole idea this week is how much of was just this like a much needed little pullback right into the bottom of the range to test everyone, or is this the start of something that's going to kind of unwind a bit further and really see some like downward prices? I don't know. I'm not a fucking genie. I'm just going to go day by day and look at the levels. But what I got for today is a few things. Number one, like I pointed out right here on this is why the daily chart's king, right? Top-down approach. So first things first, obviously we opened up the bottom of the range. This is exactly where I bought on Friday, and I caught that really nice bounce. We opened here and we held it again overnight. Now we're coming to the top of the range from this recent action over here, and we are testing right now near the open. This is going to be pretty important because if we want to go to, let's go to like a 30-minute chart now. Let's go a little shallower. The next like kind of decent changing character pivot is going to be this right here, right? This kind of 150 area. If we can get above this, pull back and hold something like this, then go, that would be a nice push towards at least like 235s here and then maybe up towards 300s. Another thing is rule of thumb wise, I don't know how to draw it on here. Let's see. Fib retracement.
What are you trying to draw?
I'm trying to draw Fibonacci retracement. So I do like to look at this when there's really, really big moves from top to bottom, right? So just from the 2-day move, extension-wise, a rule of thumb for everyone, if you do use fibs, I like to use them like this, where it's a much bigger picture thesis to like work with, because at least it's 2 straight days of selling, right? It's really clear, like top, bottom. The rule of thumb is 50% is where the opposing side tries to reload. So in this case, as buyers are trying to work their way, this 320 area roughly is going to be a huge area to watch, because as we come into this area, that's where sellers likely want to reload. So I do have that level on here in case we get some crazy runaway. I know that's kind of far from now. It's like over 200 points. But it's really important to watch because, like I said, rule of thumb based on fibs is usually 50% is the zone they do want to reload. So in the near term, we're going to kind of just let this play out here towards the open. Like I said, we are getting that nice little push. But this initial change in character first, the 150 area, then kind of up into, like I said, these 300s or even like these 220s-ish. But right now at the open, I'm just watching.
Hey, let me use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Yeah, if we can get some sort of pullback into like right now, like as we're starting to actually, pump right here. Nothing I'm going to do here off the open, but as we come up into this 167 area, let's see how this digests or overshoots, and that might kind of come back. If we can reload down here or like close to VWAP or something, that might be nice, but we're breaking through prior day high on Qs right now. I'm just going to let it do its thing. But yeah, it's kind of what I got to watch. So it's like there's a lot of levels kind of to work with today. It's going to be like kind of just playing with some of these and being like, okay, which one has validity? But again, that big picture thesis is like, we can see it on the daily, right? It was much, much more clear. I'm going to get rid of these fibs now. Much, much more clear, this range, right? Like this is kind of, now we're kind of getting back into this part of the range. So if we can pull back here and then do something like that, that's what we're watching. It's just like, just because we had 2 big days of selling doesn't mean the whole market's dead and going to bleed out. It's like, we got to see how we react now as we retrace. That's kind of like the rule of thumb. So hopefully that helps. Good morning, guys. What's going on? We got Luke, Jay, Maples, Drew, Kevin, Charles, Taylor, Rusty, Mark, Steve, Ricky, good morning. Alex, good morning. We do have a really big announcement coming up the top of the hour. Really excited to share something with you guys. Some of you guys probably already know. We've chatted about it on here, but we'll announce it soon. We will announce it soon. So Lauren went to the bathroom real quick. He'll be right back. But good morning, Nelson. Good morning. Kay, good morning. How are we doing? How are we doing? Kind of just chilling right now, like I said. Gonna let some of this do its work, do its magic here at the open. Just let her trade. Let her trade and see what we got going on. Not really focused on RTY or YM today, personally. So just want to see what price starts to do. That's really it. That is really it, my friends. Nice little movement here. We have a Jackson Hole meeting this month. Ooh, Jackson Hole. I remember when that happened and the market just like unwound for like so many days on end. We got like a triple gap. I'll never forget. We got like a triple gap up, and then the Jackson Hole meeting happened, and all of a sudden we just like died. Nice push here at the off the open for sure. Coming up into that 180 area, kind of I talked about, the little pivot on the 30-minute. Right into the top of this wick here. Let's kind of see how this gets treated. See how she gets treated here. Really nice push, though, off the open. Fantastic push. Real nice. These Monday morning pushes are just like, they're frustrating sometimes because they just go straight up. And I'm like, dude, where's my pullback? Come on. I need something to work with. I need something. Only 8 minutes in. Looking at the 9 EMA on the daily as resistance. Okay. When we have these really big moves, I actually do kind of like that. I fuck with that, Luke. Let me see.
Almost died in there.
Oh, well, dude, that happens to me every day.
Goodness. Okay, I'm back. How are you? How are you? How you doing?
I'm chilling. We are getting a straight
oh my goodness, look at this.
Yeah, straight ripskis off the open here.
My lord. Is this how we're starting the week?
260s. Yeah, I know. These classic Monday mornings just like fucking rip off the open. Not a lot of news this week. Not a lot of news. Love the 9 EMA as momentum indicator. Yeah, I do like it. I'm not against it. I'll use it as a reference point. It's around, that 9 EMA is around, what, 23,260. So quite a few levels to work with. That's why this can be a little tricky today. There's a lot of areas that could, maybe, should, I don't know. So I'm just going to be really fucking patient right now. Kind of see what's going on.
I want to see that one trade, Tanner, again.
I know, dude. Friday was fire. If you guys missed it on Friday on stream, oh my gosh, I sniped the shit out of that. That was great. That was great.
Man. Morning, Trey. What's going on? Bro, my stomach is on edge. I think I ate too many cookies.
Dude, that was me over the weekend, bro. The cut is over. I fucking sent. God, I had sushi. I had burger. I
love this for you.
I had lots of. I had a few old fashions. Had some tequila. I had a bunch of beer. It was great, bro.
It was awesome.
Honestly, very fantastic. It was great. Really, really great.
My goodness.
I
We're
wonder if we
going off the
can
open.
this 100 and then go.
I wonder if it's going to be one of those days where we go straight up and then we crash straight down.
I know, because everyone will be looking for a pullback. I know.
Yeah.
I need levels to work with though. I got nothing right here. If this pulls back here, I don't got shit. Actually, I got 150s. 23 150s is a level. I got
Levels be leveling.
levels be leveling, dude. I just don't want to do this close to the open. I just don't like doing this shit. I'm gonna hang out another 10 minutes at least. My patience really, really helped on Friday. That was another drop in the bucket for the system to be patient. Oh, look at all these questions. We're having a gym Discord. You'll have to see, bro. You'll have to see. You'll have to see. Plot twist. It's already.
I am not uncertain
I am
about that
not.
question.
I am not uncertain that there's a gym section in the Discord.
I am not uncertain.
Cough, cough. You gotta wait 20 more minutes. You gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. You gotta be patient.
And make sure I take one trade a day for the rest of the year.
For the rest of your career.
No, rest of the year.
Rest of the year. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Chat will hold you to that, bro.
Yeah, everybody make sure I only take one trade per day.
Yeah. That's a nice little pullback to the 150s here. Give it some time.
Like this type of volatility makes me want to go on the 30-second chart and look for my entry model and take it long.
Yeah, I mean, I don't blame you for that.
Like I could take it long right now, but I'm not going to do that.
I'm just gonna wait and chill. Waiting just always proves to clarity of price comes with time. It's like my thing. And like look at my data of all my initial losses from my fucking all the trades I take here on live. And all my losses are in the first like fucking 15 minutes, dude. I'm like, why
Yeah,
don't
I've realized that the same thing for me too. I was looking at my stats and I realized that every trade that I lost was, well, not every trade that I lost, sorry. Every trade that I won in the past week was trades taken after 10 a.m. I'm about to tweet that too. What'd you say? Clarity of price always comes with time.
Clarity of price comes with time. It's fire. Yeah, see that little pullback to 150 there was nice. That held and worked. 150 to 180 here. Okay, we're coming up into the 38% fib, right around here.
I knew I should have took it long.
I might slow down right here, though. We'll see. But I don't know. We just gotta wait. Be patient. What's good about straight up moves like this? If you can control your patience and not just FOMO into it, and then kind of get to the point where like, damn, this is so far gone. What do I do now? And you don't make any irrational chasing decisions. That's like a really big moment of growth where you're like, okay, either I just missed it and it is what it is, or you look for your next opportunity to snipe. That's pretty much it.
I don't know. It's just hindsight. I look at it and I'm like, because the moment I just said I should take it long right now, I'd have been out the trade right now. It already hit 2R.
50 points, yeah. I mean, that was fast.
But I only have one bullet in the chamber, so I didn't want to risk it.
That's right. That's right, my friend. See, I would be interested in being like, here's a short opportunity. Right against the fib.
I think we're gonna fill this gap though. I think we're gonna fill this gap.
What gap?
If you look on the daily chart.
Oh, you have after hours turned off, right?
Yeah, I have after hours turned off. But I mean, I think it turns back on once I go to daily. Let me see. I was looking at Qs when I said that. And if you look at Qs, what'd you say?
Yeah, Q. Oh, okay, that daily gap. I see what you mean. Yeah, on the Qs, I see it on the other screen.
Yeah. Or you can go to regular, yeah, like you said, regular trading hours on like the 4-hour chart. If you go to the 4-hour chart so everybody can see and do regular trading hours. RTH at the bottom.
Yeah.
That gap. Yeah. So I think we might fill that gap right there.
Yeah, that definitely. We can come into that 320, like I said, and then I think we'll look for some rejections there potentially. This might go straight to it.
Yeah.
It's a really good spot to attempt the short, actually. I'll probably try the short around 320 if we can just straight up mob there, which looks like it's trying to do. What a move off the open. Great action. Opening drive. Ripstick, dude. One of those rip goes. Be interesting to see how it reacts to all-time high VWAP. Ooh. Where is that? Where is that? Not much you can do but wait here. Wait and chill.
Yeah. Jordan says that he may stay flat if there's no pullback. I understand that completely, Jordan. I
Yeah.
understand that completely. Honestly, I don't even like opening drives like this because I'm more inclined not to trade off this. Like, yeah, I completely understand.
Yeah, opening drives like this are just not my thing. Not my thing.
That's how you know. That's how you can tell the difference between a mature trader and like a novice trader. It's like novice traders, they probably love shit like this. When mature traders like, man, I can't stand when price rips like this. Like, it's good for the long term portfolio, but for
Yeah.
the day trading, the income is like not that good.
Well, yeah, because then what happens is you catch this ripper off the open, it goes further than you want it to go. You already are
Mhm.
gone and out of it, and you go, "Fuck, dude, I should have made more," or like, "Oh man, I gotta capitalize on this move. It's still going." Then you hop back in with more size, and you give back everything you just made, and then
Yep.
poof, it's like I've done that so many fucking times, bro. Damn, I really
Yeah,
like
for sure.
that up. You're gonna hate me for this. Use collective off an RTY right here. Put the stop here, something like that.
I mean, that doesn't look bad, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't look bad. That
Actually
doesn't look
doesn't
bad.
at all. I just don't really want to trade RTY on the Monday, to be honest.
I mean, I would wait a little bit for
Yeah,
extra
I'm still
confirmation, but it
gonna
doesn't
I'm
look bad.
focus on NQ probably. But yeah, it's a nice pump. Everything's pumping. Just a FOMO creation device, dude.
That's crazy. I don't even feel any FOMO looking at this shit.
No, I don't feel any FOMO. I don't either. I'm just like, all right.
You're talking to we're talking to our past selves.
Yeah.
Yeah, who we used to be last year.
Not we used to be.
Yeah.
It's who it used to be.
Chat, where you guys at? Where you guys at? Still
Yeah,
sitting
how
on
we doing?
sidelines waiting for an opportunity?
You guys getting chopped up out there? You waiting?
Yeah. You know
Doing?
what they say? Hey, one thing, remember we talked about that? Whenever it gets quiet, that means
It's
somebody's tilting right
quiet.
now.
Someone's in some
Somebody's tilting.
shit. Someone's in some shit.
Somebody's tilting. We can
Yeah,
smell it.
we got straight up move, bro. Good. I hope it keeps ripping higher, right into 320s, and then there'll be a reject potential. That's basically what's happening right now. Huge FOMO.
Yeah.
Just chillsing. Just flat.
Yeah, like that, Jordan. Stay flat. Traded Asia session last night. Locked out for the day. Good shit.
Long 10 minis from the high day. Fuck you.
Jesus.
He's trolling.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Who's Kyle? Who is Kyle? He's one of your traders, right? He messaged me like late last night, like late last night, trying to see
What,
what I was doing and stuff. I'm like, what the fuck?
Kyle, what's up, bro? What's going on?
Kyle was like, he messaged me like, "Hey Lawrence, how are you?" It's like fucking midnight and shit. Like,
Kyle,
what's the
yeah,
need for peeping Tom?
Kyle's done. He's the one that's done over 40K in payouts since starting with coaching with me.
Nice, nice,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. Kyle crushes it, dude. It's like
Yeah,
one thing we're trying to work on is honestly some of the adrenaline from like trading really like just like I don't know having some like good runs and then having a bit too much stress pop up in it. I tried to explain to him I'm like trading can be as stressful or at least stressful as like you want to make it.
Yeah.
And so if you feel a lot of stress, you might be trading with too much size, more than likely.
Hmm.
It's like that's usually the reason for that. So it's like, you gotta just be able to be like, okay, let me slow it down here. Here's how much I can lose. Here's how much I can risk. Other than that, he's been crushing it, dude. That's what's cool. Kyle's always looking to figure out how he can improve and stuff. And
Yeah. No,
like,
he did. He messaged me yesterday. He messaged me yesterday because he wanted me to make a video on. He said guilty.
guilty. Yep.
He wanted me to make a video on how I use, how I do my markups on the on my thing. So, and I think that that's actually a great idea. Like,
Oh, yeah.
so I appreciate him for that one because if I make a video like, hey, this is what each one of these tools do and mean and all this type of stuff, and this is how it helps me as I'm trading, like, so I'm
Yeah.
going to make it between today and tomorrow, probably today, but
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
um, and then we got TTBZ here. Don't like trading the open, but man, when you see this, it kind of hurts. I don't think it should hurt. Don't think of it like that, bro. Like it's not. You're not missing anything. Honestly, you're really not missing anything. There's no trade here. Like there's absolutely no trade here. There's
Yeah.
nothing but temptation. This is kind of like the woman in the red dress on the Matrix. That's all this is.
Yeah. That's a good one. Good reference for sure. Because yeah, it's like as this is going up and ripping, it's like unless you had a momentum based idea off the open, it's like who cares, dude? It just went. It's
Yeah.
like,
And I don't know if we ever talked about we talked about it from my end, but I don't know if I ever got your perspective on this, right? So we need to do better with like making because we have good conversations on our lives, but we need to start making short film content on this and start posting it because we have great conversations. But what I was going to ask you real quick is mixing data or combining data from pre-market or London going into New York session, I find it very unreliable and I don't like it. That's why I normally do like regular trading hours. Like if I'm going to trade a session, I'm going to trade that session. I'm not going to, because I've been burned too many times looking at my setup forming on London going into New York, and then new participants come into the market
yeah.
and then fuck up everything that was going on in London, and then it was just completely void. So, what are your thoughts on that?
No, I agree. I think knowing it goes back to the original analogy of even just New York session, understanding that there's different parts of the day that move differently and like using that information to determine stuff. So, like a good example is trading the open, right? The first even just like 5 to 10 to 15 minutes is different than like the next like 25 to 30 or whatever. So it's like breaking up into sections. And then this used to happening with options all the time. Midday lull. I'd get to like fucking 9:30 my time, so 12:30 Eastern, and I'd be like, oh, this looks like it's going to be a brand new high day. We're going to keep going, and then what happens? We end up just chopping around, going midday lull, there's pullbacks, it's all that, and then understanding like that time of the day is just so different, and it's not going to have this usually the same outcome. And so
Yeah,
understanding that there's different part, and then power hour, right? So there's all these different parts of the day. And so it's the same idea of, participants kind of ebbs and flows. The market is just a giant auction, right? So it's like the auctions have periods where people are more active or not because, there's something that's more enticing at these levels or there isn't, right? So that's kind of my thoughts with that too. So yeah, going into the open, it's taking that Asia session data and that London session data. It's more just like reference points kind of going forward and being like, okay, is this confirming a continuation of what I'm seeing overnight or not? But I'm not thinking of it as like one giant move. I am thinking of it in sections and stuff like that. So I do agree there with that thesis. So
understood.
feeling FOMO because everyone in my Discord just cooked on a trade on gold, but I'm following my plan and rejected the setup. So feel FOMO, which I shouldn't. It's honestly, I think it's good that you recognize it because this is something we like to talk about a lot with coaching with our clients. Is like you need to recognize when you have those emotions and that type of stuff, and just realize like there's always going to be new opportunity. And I think it just comes easier with time too. Like literally almost 6 years in for me, like seeing a move like this, dude, I got no FOMO over it because I've just seen this and I'm like, oh, there'll be another opportunity maybe later on. And it's not like my whole week or month or year is going to be made on this one opening drive play.
That's true.
NQ. So I'm just like,
That's true.
all right, it's one of those. Okay, kind of unfortunate and like nothing to deal with, but nothing to work with. But I'm like, it just is what it is, you know?
Yeah.
So don't feel FOMO. I would say you can go back and review that trade and you could be like, what worked here? Right. And like, be like, why did I not take this? Next time, why should I take this? And I remember having that happen to me multiple times where I would see a setup and I'd be like, this looks pretty good. There's a confluence here, but I don't know. The market's heavy. And then I would see it work and I'm like, damn, okay, that's a drop in the bucket for if I have multiple confluences with my system and things I'm seeing, and I even feel iffy about it. It's like if there's enough confluences in my face screaming, I have to take the trade. And that literally, like for me, was like a big turning point. But it took seeing that, missing it, how FOMO, going back, doing the review, seeing it again, then executing to finally kind of change those habits and change those outcomes. So it's all just part of the
And my
journey.
thing is, I don't really think that I don't think that any of us should really be falling victim to hindsight bias, because if this shit would have started pumping and then crashed immediately, you'd have been thanking God you stuck to your plan.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like you're only feeling this way because, hindsight,
Mhm.
you did everything right. I feel like you should only one, it's okay to feel FOMO. It's not okay to act on it. Like don't be emotional. Like don't act on your emotions. It's okay to have them and it's okay to be aware of them. And I would even take it a step further to say write down exactly what triggers you so you can be aware of it next time. But
Yep.
don't act on it. It's okay to feel it, but don't act on it. And then on top of that, like I said, if this shit goes south, then you'd have been thanking God that you stuck to your plan. But now that it's just so happened to work out and is ripping, now you kind of feel FOMO. Like, don't be biased like that. So
All right, guys. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes.
I could take this long right here, but I don't really, man, I don't like it. It's just the location. You got me thinking about location a lot lately.
Good. I mean, location's important.
Like I could take the long right here and then
Trey's
go
locked up.
for,
Lock
huh?
it. Trey's locked.
You said locked.
Trey is locked out in the chat.
Oh, nice. Good shit, Trey.
Yep. Here's the
All
push.
right, this could
Continuing.
happen.
Well, this is cool, dude. If we get this big rip into 300s, 320 area, it's like it's gonna set up a decent short, I think. At least a good opportunity to try it. So I'm cool with the straight up move like this. It's just getting closer and closer to the actual area I want to short. So
Mhm.
I'll just fucking sit here and wait.
This type of situation, I like to go because I normally enter on the 1 minute chart.
Mm-hmm.
This type of situation, I like to wait for the 2 minute chart. To be honest with you, like I just kind of want to go to a higher time frame so I can get more validity. Like it's just like I could have entered already for long, but it's like I think I want to wait for my entry model on 2 minute chart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rusty, one good one and done for me on top when it counts locking and sticking around for the grand reveal. Rusty, go ahead and send me a screenshot because yeah, send me a
Because
screenshot.
yeah.
Let me make sure you locked out. Shoot me a message on Discord. Gosh, there is no top.
One more minute. One more minute. Good. Let this thing rip, dude. All the way into 300s and I'm gonna short it.
This thing is not stopping. What if it goes to all time highs? That'd be so cool. Like we go straight to all time highs. That would be like the biggest God candle on the daily chart. Luke says 9 EMA daily. What does that mean, Luke? School me. I don't have any EMAs. I'm a naked price action trader. You got to teach me something, brother.
You gotta teach me something, brother.
Hmm.
Nice push. 9 EMA daily. EMA. Okay. See, I don't know if I have the EMA on. All right, guys. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Let's
Are you
do
guys
it.
ready? Are you ready? Are ready? Let's get some hype.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. The day is here. The day has come. The people have spoken, and we have delivered. The strong trading Discord and group coaching is officially here,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
we want to do something unique. So
Mm-hmm.
the Discord is not just a classic, like, oh, here's your Discord community, here's your alerts, here's that. It's group coaching and a Discord all in one, all for the same price. We want to do something unique in this sense because no one else does that out there. They do like, oh, here's group coaching, you pay for that, and you can pay for Discord. We want to do it all in one because we want it to be a collaborative environment for all you guys. We wanted it to be something where everyone can learn from each other and learn from us, and we do group coaching sessions twice a month. So
That's what we're doing here.
go
So
ahead
I would
and
say, mhm.
go ahead and click the link. We're doing an intro special, has all the details about the Discord. But basically, you're going to get access to private community of all of us, like-minded futures traders, some options traders probably here and there that will join. Bi-weekly group coaching. So it's going to be 2 group coaching sessions a month, and they're going to be live open Q&A. So it's like we'll probably do like a poll before topics we want to go over. Lawrence and I will meet on those, and it's going to be open Q&A. So basically, bi-weekly group coaching, like I said, daily pre-market game plans. You're going to get daily trade recaps and reviews, trading psychology resources, and some of the best discounts on tons of different prop firms and deals. The intro deal, the homie deal, because Luke's like, what's the homie deal? $99 a month. $99 a month for the first 25 people that join. I will do the asterisk. I know everyone's like, oh, it's not like what. Asterisk, that is with an annual sign up. If you want to do month to month, you still can. It is there, the options for you. It's just not going to be 99. But this is going to be such a good deal. And you will be grandfathered in at that rate. So as supply and demand grows, business grows, like the rates will probably go up over time. I'm just going to be dead honest. That's business, okay? But if you get this intro launch special of $99 a month, first 25 people, you get grandfathered in at that price. And like I said, you literally get group coaching for, it's just going to keep going and going and going. So that's what I got. Lawrence, add what you want to add. Go for it.
Now, so I mean, I think that this is just like I want everybody to understand like what an opportunity this is, right? So it's to a point where you can go on the market. You can look anywhere on the market for coaching, and I guarantee you that you won't find a price like this with honest and transparent traders like this, right? Like we hop on here live every single day. You can go to our YouTube channels, you can go on Twitter, and we trade live every single day, and we're like completely transparent, and we're giving you the real deal. Like this is what it is to trade every single day and be consistent, because a lot of us, you don't need more technicals, right? You need somebody that is going to help you become more consistent through sharpening your mental edge, right? You need people that are focusing on process, focusing on journaling, focusing on these things that'll keep you consistent so you can keep drawing, money out the markets and keep getting these payouts. So look on the market, see if you find anything better than this. But I guarantee you won't, with this level of transparency, and just give it a try. So that's my and let me ask you something, Tanner. Would you be open to like increasing, because right now we're doing bi-weekly sessions, so that's 2 calls every month. Would you be open to increasing the amount of calls the more people that we get into the Discord? So say
Possibly.
for example, yeah.
Well,
So say for
yeah,
example,
possibly. I'm open to that. Just depends.
yeah. So it just depends on if we get more and more people, then we'll provide more and more value and possibly have more and more calls, right? So
Jay, I love you, but you didn't fucking read the announcement in the Discord already. I vividly said yes. If you are already in strong trade and one-on-one coaching, you are grandfathered in. You get group coaching included. So yeah, if you're already in strong trading one-on-one coaching, it's just a bonus value add for you. And that goes for everyone going forward. Like if you want to join one-on-one coaching, you'll just be grandfathered into group coaching in the Discord for life after that. But yes, I made that announcement in the Discord. Is in Client's Corner. So Are you gonna be streaming on YouTube every day still, or only Discord? Yeah, we'll still be streaming every day on YouTube for sure. But the Discord again is going to be for group coaching. You know, you want more in-depth like understanding of anything you want to learn. Like that's the whole idea. It's a collaborative environment. So yeah, but we'll still be streaming on YouTube for free every day. So that's true.
I think we're going to start dropping in a second. Price is about to start dropping in a second here.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I'd be surprised if it didn't. Like if we go further, that'd be dope. But I think we're about to.
Let's see. Let us
Ooh.
see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Oh, where's the
I see my model. I see my model on the 30-second chart, but I don't trust it.
No, I'm waiting, dude. I'm waiting for 300s. I'm waiting for. I'm gonna be dead fucking patient for this.
Yeah, I'm on the 2-minute chart, brother.
I'm just chilling. I got nothing. Like I got nothing to work with here, dude. Super patient. I'm really happy actually. I had no FOMO on this at all. Zero FOMO. Just. Let's see.
I'm loving this. I'm loving this patient Tanner.
I mean, I got nothing to work with. I got no levels here. Got no nothing. I'm just strictly waiting. Just chilling. Super hard. Super hard. Just waiting.
I think we're gonna get one more leg up.
Yeah, me too. I want us to get that leg in the 300s, like I said. What's that?
Yeah, we're about to take that candle out.
346. I don't know. Where's the retracement?
30 of price comes with time.
30 price comes with time. Look at this. Right into here is 318 area. That's what I want. I want us way up here into 318. Give us one more fucking ripstick, dude. Give us one more ripstick. Questions on the Discord, guys. Go for it. Questions on coaching, questions on any of that. Like I said, it's launch day. This first 25 people get the best deal. That's it.
Yep.
So then everyone else, there will be an annual deal still for everyone else. I think it's like 20% off if you want to sign up annually. But if you do this initial deal, I think it's like almost 40% off. So it's like, it's getting the best deal there is that will ever run on it, ever. And like I said, you get grandfathered in. So I was lucky enough. I remember when I was in like my OG trading group, Authenticus Trades, I'm grandfathered into like a great rate. I've just never left them because I always learn little things here and there. And it's like, you know, I always go check that community here and there for stuff and whatnot. And so it's just you having a community, and especially having group coaching like this, it's going to be something unique for sure.
Mm-hmm. So if you got any questions, let us know. We'll answer it right here, right now.
Yep.
Yeah, here comes like the
pullback here.
Sell off. Yeah. Yeah, I knew he was going to get ready to pull back a little bit.
Let's see.
If I don't get anything I think if I don't get anything by 10:30 going into 11 o'clock, then I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna.
I have a no trade day. Be a rare one.
Yeah, I mean that's cool. That's cool with me.
I wonder how much this is going to pull back here. I wonder how much.
Yeah, I'm going to stick with the 2-minute chart on this one.
wonder how much.
Update my journal.
Into 220 here. This is definitely a potential level, potential area. I don't know, man. I just don't like it. There's nothing to work with, really. Kind of nice little pullback here into this 220. I don't like this right here. This feels like it's just going to trickle down.
And what time is it? It's 10, 11 a.m. 10, 11. Okay, cool.
Problem is,
Where we at, chat?
where
you guys at? You guys quiet.
Guys, real quiet. You guys real quiet.
Don't do anything rash.
I'll be screwing up here. Hmm. $220. 220. Appreciate you, Trey. You're missing out big time. Don't join. Values priceless has been a game changer. Our one-on-one clients definitely speak for us in that sense because they all get access to the Discord. And what's cool, all you guys in one-on-one, like we said, you all get group coaching now too. You all just got an extra couple sessions a month just added completely for free for already to your current package. So more shit to learn, which is sick.
Yeah, that's 6 sessions per month, bro.
It's a lot.
That's a lot.
A lot.
That's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Well, that's a lot. This is just pulling back and holding. Like I said, that 220 was a decent little spot, but I don't know, man. I need bigger levels. Just not a lot to work with. Not a lot to work with at all. Not a lot to work with here.
Yeah, no, I'm chilling right now. I think it's going to be a retest and then one more leg lower, and then we're going to turn around, probably continue.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, look at that 5-minute chart, bro.
I know, just straight up,
like,
bro.
Like if you look at the 5-minute chart, oh, you are on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, if you look at the 5-minute chart, it's like this is now the opening range on the 5-minute chart. We are just now getting. If you do opening ranges on the 5-minute chart, this is the opening range at 10:13 in the morning. 45 minutes later.
Mm-hmm. Dude,
New York, previous day high, with DIA VWAP.
Tanner, New York prior day high lines up with DIA VWAP. Prior day high in YM lines up with DIA VWAP. Let's see. I see New York prior day high. No, I got New York prior day high for DIA. Oh, prior day high in YM. I see what you mean. Okay. Yeah, I fuck with that. That's a good one. That's not bad. See if we can get one more pullback to it. I don't know. It's just this is like I don't even know if it's going to get it, Drew. That's the problem. I feel like it's just going to keep going here. I feel like we're just going to keep like slowly drifting into 300, 320s.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, we'll get some sort of potential. Like we might get some like crazy chop around up there, and then it pulls back. But
Yeah. I one thing that I do hate about this type of like those opening drives and days like this is like even if we get an opportunity for continuation to the upside, it's like it's going to take forever to get to the PT, get to your PT. Like
I know
it's
exactly. Yeah, you have to sit through all of that.
yeah, like the quick in and out or the quick profit target hit that ended a while ago. That ended like around 10 a.m.
Yeah, literally, that already
Yeah,
ended.
everything any trade after this is going to be a slow burn
But cool.
unless
Here
it's
is
a sell off.
yeah. I want to just get a FOMO push here into 320s. I'd love to get some sort of FOMO push here into 320s. Problem is, I don't know if we're gonna fucking get it, dude. Might be. I'm just waiting.
Oh my god, this guy,
Really,
man.
really little. Just waiting.
630. Jeez. I mean, that's
Yeah, Drew.
freaking.
I like this, Drew. It just again, I feel like we're just gonna run away and not even test it. Like, I don't know.
Mm.
It just really everything just digesting here now. Now we're gonna start to digest. And like we might just go sideways here. And if it hits fucking 8 a.m. and we haven't done anything, I might just fully call it not even a trade day, honestly. This is the underside of that 9 EMA for Luke. Whole lot of none. Yeah.
There's not much going on here, man. We can't really move on any of this, really.
Yeah. A little bit lower
Like
high.
this might be a decent. I think a decent rejection may be coming up right here. Like we failed to go higher,
Yeah, I just feel like this is
but
churn and then just keep grinding, dude. That's the problem.
yeah, yeah, probably. I mean,
It's just not a lot to work with.
at this point,
I wonder if you take. I have actually a very interesting hypothesis here. Let's see this.
I wouldn't blame a short right here, honestly. But I'm trying to get this
Well,
shit.
yeah, I mean, we might get one more push. So, okay, here's the other thing I'm looking at potentially. Where is this 516?
Like below 244s on NQ, that wouldn't look bad. That like it's two if 244 is hit, that wouldn't be a bad short. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad short below 244. I'm not gonna take it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna do it, but that wouldn't be a bad short. Yeah, this doesn't look like a bad short right here.
I feel like we get one more little push higher. I don't know.
I don't know, bro. This looks like a really good potential short area, right? This looks like a good short right here.
True. Yeah, it's looking that way. I'm just trying to sort of think out good locations and wait for them. You know me, I'm big on confirmation, so I could see fail hard down into there. Yeah, just entering here might be kind of tricky. That's the problem.
Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. Like where we at? 239.75, 239.75, firm close below 239.75. That would be a cool short. I would take it. I'm probably not going. I might not even trade today, to be honest with you. But just speaking out,
We're really being patient, which is good. I'm really proud of both of us for just not. I want stuff. Casey, strong trading. So if we join, we get your journal template and stuff. Yeah, we'll definitely do a lot of journaling like sessions and group coaching for sure. Absolutely. Absolutely. Like I said, it's value all in one, guys. The group coaching and the Discord, meaning you have a trading community. And within that, we have literally daily pre-market game plans. We're going to do daily trade recaps where we got a supportive team of people, exclusive prop deals. Lawrence has all his trading psychology resources. Lawrence's TED Talks, like your little corner in there that you got.
Yeah.
So many cool things in there. And then on top of it, you also get group coaching. Other Discords are just like, okay, you're in the Discord, chat away. Here's your signal. We're not doing this. No signal shit. We're here to actually teach you guys some shit that you can use and learn. See, dude, they're just fucking just churning this now. They know what they're doing. They're trying to make everyone really impatient. And they're going to keep just grinding this higher, dude. I'm telling you. They're going to just keep grinding it higher.
Mm. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm telling you that a close below 239.
RTI finally starting to push.
A close below 239. I'm telling you.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Interessante. I think it's 15 minutes with this can get engulfed. That might not be bad. All these higher time frames just pointed up still. That's the problem. Very, very tricky.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Tricky, tricky, tricky.
Tricky, tricky, tricky.
It's tricky, tricky, tricky. Wow, this is crazy. Been almost an hour, not one trade taken. Bless up. Bless up, bro.
Tanner, don't mess up the payout on the account by forcing trades. He's chilling.
I'm not, dude. I'm fucking chilling. I am chilling, chilling, chilling. Chilling hard. In fact, I need to go to the bathroom real quick because I've just still got nothing here at all. At all, at all, at all.
Somebody send 3 minis short for me. I want to see something. Somebody send 3 minis short. I want to see something. 4 minis. Four minis short. Stop loss at the high. And 4 minis short. Stop loss at the high. Going for 190s. What y'all think? Luke said, "I'll do it." Do it then. Stop talking about it. Be about it, man. 4 minis short. Go target 190. Stop loss high day. What's up?
Oh, it's curling. Curling
Luke
over.
said, done. Done.
Done.
I told them I said go ahead and short NQ at 242s, aiming for 190s, stop loss high day, profit target at 190.
You could
Four
probably do it.
minis. Four minis, send it.
You could probably do that.
No, this is a beautiful short. I should have taken it.
You should have. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. It is starting to work. It's gonna look decent.
Yeah. I'm not just talking just to talk. Send that shit.
I got nothing here, dude. At all. Zero. Zilch. I got an RTY short maybe at 2200.
Tricky, tricky, tricky.
Right at 2200 here. It's terrible. How's the daily look? Ooh, retesting the underside of this too. It's kind of nice. Let's see. Piece of shit RTY. This thing always eats shit, bro. Even though it should be small cap summer.
Small cap summer.
School's out for summer. Oh man, one of those days where if you miss the opening drive, you might just be fucking toast McGee's, dude. And that's gonna be it. Gonna be it.
There's a good long right here.
Still just waiting. Okay, here's good. NQ starting to pick up a little bit. I'm telling you, this 300 area, 320s.
I'm not gonna lie, Tanner. I don't think I want to touch this today.
That's fine. I respect it if you don't want to.
Like, I don't think I want to touch this today. Like I'm trying. Like I'm just. I'm like literally just trying to wait for an opportunity. But even if like right now, this would be a cool long. Like I would take this long, but it's like I don't really like the location, right? Like because we're still pretty high up there.
Yeah.
And even if we go down, like say for example, we get like a change of character and we start downtrending, like even if the opportunity presents itself to go down, I'm still going to be a little bit skeptical because we're just in such a big uptrend. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like no matter which way I go, I'm going to have like some kind of like doubt there. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
I just don't see any of it being like super high probability. What do you think?
I agree. I mean, like that's why like I have my 50% zone around 300s, 307-ish. I think what we'll do if we get up towards 300s, I'm probably going to open up like a 40-point stop or something and not go crazy size and just like see if that rejection area can reject. Like that's actually what I'm going to look for. I don't know exactly, like catching a specific top up there might be kind of hard, but if we just pump straight up into it, like that could be a really decent setup. I need to let it breathe. Kind of like I did on Friday, where like we got in that zone in that area, and I'm like, all right, let's see now how we like actually can bounce here. And I just open up my stop.
Right.
Yeah, but so far this is just like pure bullish consolidation.
Okay, so 348. Yeah, I mean, I think this is a pretty decent long attempt. But I don't know.
You can get 50 points out of it if this holds. I'm pretty confident in that. Right around there. Might just take fucking forever.
I think I'm gonna try it.
It's up to you.
I'm gonna give it a second.
It's up to you. We're just waiting and Sean. Got 50% and 9 EMA on the dailies area, so looking to start a short. Yep. Okay. I like it. Not against it. Not against it. Not against it.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What do you want to do?
Instead of going long like I normally would, I'm gonna wait to see if I see a pop going long, a retest, and then I'll jump in on the retest and then just lower my profit target. What you think about that? Because that
Um,
way I'll know if we're going long. And if there is no pop going long and the retest fails, then there is just no, yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I'm just saying, what's your target? Like that's the problem.
I'm gonna wait till if we go long, I'm gonna wait for our pop to the upside, and then I can tell you what the target is gonna be if we retest and then I get some traction off the retest, like reaction off the retest. But if we don't get none of that, then I'm just stay out the trade.
Fair. It's fair.
Yeah, just stay out the trade. I'm just looking for a little pop. If we get it, because we might not get it.
Yeah, I mean, this is I don't know, dude. The only other short I see right here would be actually be against that 9 EMA that Luke's been talking about. Keep your stop at 65s, the highs. I just need to start looking at higher time frames in this type of shit. See, I don't know. I feel like this could sink down into like 23s here. Maybe not even take out this whole wick and then hold and then we go higher. Apple's up 2% today. Fucking finally. Jeez. Okay.
Is this the short?
I don't know. It might be, bro.
Is this the short?
It might be.
Chat, which I think is this the short? Going down to 190s, maybe 175s. Very patient day. Very patient day.
Fucking whole lot of nothing, dude.
Yeah.
Whole lot of nothing, dude. See, this is what I was talking about, though. It comes in at 225 here. This holds. Then it goes higher. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. So yeah, this looks good for a long here. I like this 15-minute sweep. This little low, but we hold here actually, and then we continue higher into 300. Fuck.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. This is risky business.
This is risky business, dude.
This is risky business,
At least you're
brother.
all seeing this is real trading. Just fucking
Yeah.
waiting for your setup and just God, it's kind of boring, but that's how trading is sometimes. Sometimes it's just fucking boring. Just gotta wait, bro. Nothing you can do but wait. I'm telling you, I think this long is gonna work.
I don't know, bro. Look at
I like this 15-minute sweep here, dude. See, I really like this.
a 15-minute sweep. I don't see it.
I'm on it. I have a subtle little, just the previous bar.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
We don't actually break this though, but we break this one. It looks like, and then this holds, then we go higher in the 300s. I'm just still gonna wait though. I just don't like it. see what they do here.
No, no, bro. Look at SPY, bro. Look at ES. That shit doesn't look too bullish, in
Yeah,
my opinion. That
that,
shit that shit doesn't look too bullish, brother. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah, maybe we engulf this wick right here. I don't know. I actually I do not know. I'm just sitting. I'm sitting in purgatory. Sideways 5 minutes.
But the long does look good.
I like this fit. Creates a range and look for a breakout in either direction. Yeah.
This long does not look bad, brother.
That's what I said, man.
It doesn't look bad.
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
It does not look bad. I think I might try it out. I'm gonna give it a second, but I think I might try it.
All right. Totally could work. I could see that. That's that 15-minute range, say. Absolutely. I'm changing my Instagram name to the patient trader. Don't
I'm
stop.
long. I tried it.
All right, share your screen since my shit's just fucking showing.
All right, hold on. I'll zoom in a little bit. Oh, it's not. That doesn't look good. I just don't like the location, to be honest with you.
I don't either. That's why I don't want
Yeah,
to here. That's why it totally could work and go up to 300s, but
it could, but I really don't like the location.
I agree. Wow, Apple's getting a nice fucking push right now, dude. I wonder if this whole bar is gonna reclaim. Be sick. I need this.
Good trader. Yeah, they said need that close above 258. Yeah, I agree with you, man. I do agree with that. Let's see if we can get it.
Looks like it. Looking like it.
Yeah. See if we can get it.
A little early here, but not a bad idea.
Yeah, a tad bit early. Just a tad bit early.
This might be my first no trade day, like ever.
You said what?
This might be my first no trade day ever. Keep an eye on the TMC, Tanner. TMC. What's TMC? The money clip. Ticker.
Yeah, I might have been a tad bit early.
Brother, I'm not a damn. This thing is dying. TMC. This thing's fucking. I'm not a penny stock guy. This thing has a lot of volume. It's dying. What is this? The metals? Metals co. Yeah, I don't know. I don't trade this stuff. Oh man, dude, just fucking testing this.
Yeah, I think I'm a tad bit. I think I was a tad bit early. I should have waited. I agree with strong. I mean, fit trader. You're strong, fit trader. I was a tad bit early. I should have waited for that close because I was looking for this right here. Check this. If we can close right there, I'd have been happy. Closed above, like right
Yeah,
here.
yeah. It looks
I
like
should have waited for that.
I might fade you just for fun.
No, I mean, I would understand if you did. I would fade me.
Oh god, we got everyone off the Friday with the UNH. I'm looking. The only way I want to get in UNH is if we test that monthly.
What about you and Age when it takes those COVID lows?
227. So I was looking at all that. I don't know. This looks like it's starting to turn over here.
Yeah, I might have fucked up on this one.
I just don't got anything, dude. I just gotta keep waiting. I just gotta keep fucking waiting. $333 risk. That's fair.
Yeah, I'm about to get cooked on this.
It's just fucking. Oh, this might still hold here. Maybe.
Mm. I just don't like that too. Look at my 2 minute chart.
Yeah, I agree. I know exactly.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't.
that
I
two
don't like
minute
engulfing that. Trying to engulf that wick. That's for sure.
that 2 minute chart does not look good. Yeah, I don't like this. I didn't. Mm,
I
yeah, I
hate
don't
this
like this.
action.
Yeah,
Extremely dislike it.
yeah, I think I'm cooked here. This 2 minute chart looks horrid.
Yeah, it's not much to work with, dude. Starting to turn over. Starting to turn over.
Hmm.
Give us something, dude. This is just fucking slow.
I'm ass for this trade. This shit's butt.
Yeah, that's why I didn't like it. I didn't like the long up there. It's too much
Yeah, that
like.
location was pretty ass. I should have waited for a little bit more of a push. Like I wasn't fully against it. It's just I
Yeah,
should have waited for a little bit more of a push.
yeah. It's a tough area. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come down into view up. Okay. Frick this price action, yeah.
Yeah, I'm ass for this trade. This was a horrible trade. It's
It happens, bro. At least you
that
don't.
location, bro. It's the
Yeah.
location. That shit was butt.
Yeah.
Like I think I'm starting to low key prioritize location over my entry model. So if the location is good and the
Mhm.
entry model is decent, take it. But if the location is bad but the entry model is A1, then probably don't take that.
Yeah. I might try the long. I'm interested in trying this long here. I'm gonna try it, bro.
I mean, that's a nice little sweep on the 2 minute if you see that.
I know that's what I'm seeing right here. Thing is,
If
we
you
have
can get above,
view
I
up
would get
right
above
below. Let's go.
227.
Yeah, we have view up right below, which I don't like. So I feel like they could easily come test it, but I feel like it might just sweep this and go. And that's what I'm going for.
Yeah. That's why I like the break of 258. No, I mean I understand that. I understand that. 258 is right. Yeah, 258 smooth. 258 is smooth.
Let's see if we can get anything here. Yeah, I like this little sweep on the 30 second.
Hmm.
I got long with 10 micros.
You said 10
$300.
micros.
Yeah, $300 stop. Let's see,
Understood. Where's your stop at?
204.
204.
Uh,
Yeah, mine's was 198. I like that little wickets under.
show everyone where I'm at. This one I'm looking at.
Oh, that's solid. I like that.
So I liked this, like basically all the sweep of these right here. See if this holds. But the problem is we got QQQ view up right below. That's like not my favorite. This really has to reclaim and hold here for this to work. But sometimes in
Mhm.
these type of moves they do. So that's kind of what I'm trying to bank on here. Totally could not work. If I lose $300, I might just be like, that's it. But if this does hold, I want to go for 300s for sure. Nice push here. How's the 15? Okay, look at this 15. This 15-minute. This ain't bad.
Let me see the 15.
Look at this 15,
Yeah,
bro.
no, that looks good. That looks good. Yeah, I think that my lesson here for today is just like decent. I would take a mediocre entry model over good location versus, bad location and great entry model. Because I think that if I would have got stopped out here, I feel like it probably wouldn't have been worth the trade, honestly, because I entered at the highs. So I might just put that in my notebook because I think that's a good lesson I learned there.
Yeah. See, can we get the pop here through the highs? I wonder if we can. The 5-minute looks really good now.
Yeah, the 5 minute does look pretty good.
Great. Good. Let's see. Nice push here. Let's go. It was 300. New high day on SPY. Huge push on YM. Join the party. Come on. Come on, Qs. Join the party. Don't give me some bullshit here. Join the fucking party.
I added one contract.
Okay. I'll fuck with that. If it's gonna go, it needs to go like right here. need this to go. I need this to push.
Yeah.
Really nice 5 minute bar, dude. It should go higher. 5 minute
Yeah, I'm
bullshit go.
going. Where you going? I'm going for 350s.
No, 320. Not even 300s.
Oh. You going for 300s?
Yeah, if that. I don't even need that much for 280s.
Damn, that's a nasty little pullback.
No, this is a nasty pullback. I don't like how this didn't fucking break the high, but everything else did. This looks sus, dude. I fucking hate this.
Looks pretty bad.
I might ditch this down here. Yeah, fuck this, dude. Are these fucking guys, bro? Oh my god.
Damn, they took the whole thing out, bro.
Out, bro.
God damn it, bro. What the fuck? They just took the whole thing out.
I'm leaving my stop at the low, but fuck me, dude. These
What
fucking
the
guys,
fuck?
bro. Okay.
God damn. Man, yeah, man.
Order
That's so
filled.
fucking
Okay,
stupid.
bro, that was so fucking whack, dude. All right, bro. What is that from? Is that news? It's fucking horse shit, dude.
I think it's edging me. Oh shit, look at this.
Wow.
Is it gonna take me out?
We got the VWAP right below that. Your stop's at VWAP. That's crazy.
Hey bro, look. That shit would have tilted me. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
It
pretty
almost pissed me off.
frustrated.
It almost pissed me off, bro. But I
That
had to
was
come back. I had to
really
come back to life.
frustrating.
Bro, I hope it saves me right here.
Dude, that was so fucking whack.
I hope it saves me right here. He said that shit would
I
tilt
was
me,
up like
not gonna
600
lie.
bucks on that. It looks so good. And I'm like, these fucking guys, dude.
That shit would, man, because it's like don't tease me all the way and then take everything away that quick. Like that's
Dude,
so stupid, bro.
that was like the definition of fucking tease, bro.
You want to talk about a trap? I'm about
Yeah,
to get
what a
cooked
trap.
here.
Yeah, dude, trap and a half, bro. Fucking ridiculous trap, bro. You serious?
Hey man, I'm about to get smoked on. And this is much more than my normal risk. My risk is normally 350.
Didn't you add one more, you said?
Yep, so now it's 441 if I lose this.
Yeah, you got a VWAP right below. It's probably gonna take you out, dude.
This shit's gay, bro.
Yeah, that was whack. It was so whack.
Damn. Yeah, I'm cooked. It's over.
At least we were super patient. Jump speaking right now. Okay.
I wish they could just stop playing with me and just take me out already. They're trying to put me on tilt right now by playing with me.
Trump talking about tariffs. That's why, as someone just said. See if we can get an impulse down. I might try one more. Trump yapping away.
This is tilt material. I could feel it. So as soon as I get stopped out here, I'm just gonna lock out. I can feel this. This is tilt material.
Smart.
This is tilt material right here, brother.
Yep.
This is it. This is it. This is the trigger.
Mm-hmm.
This is the trigger for tilt.
For sure, Apple dumped. It did dump, but it dumped right into VWAP and it's holding, which is interesting.
This is about to take me out.
Yeah, why isn't this taking you out? You got VWAP right below. It should be testing it.
They're trying to give me a small glimmer of hope, and then it's going to crash and hit my stop loss like this entire time. This is straight tilt material.
Yeah.
This is straight tilt material.
It's crazy how this is not fucking.
This is straight tilt material, bro.
This is just literally edging you.
Yeah, bro. Like this is straight
Oh
tilt
my
material,
god, this is
bro.
crazy.
It's gonna take me out. I gotta let me get ready. I gotta get ready to lock out.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
let me
are.
go ahead. I'm pissed. I'm
Yeah.
pissed. I want to let
Lock
everybody know I'm
them
angry right
all.
now.
Lock them all. Lock them all.
I'm actually pretty angry.
Lock them all. Lock them all, bro. Lock them all
That
up.
I'm actually pissed off right now. I'm not gonna lie.
Right in the view up here.
That shit just pissed me off.
This is super tricky here, dude. I want one more spike down to 38% fib. Just that 5 minutes so hard to. This is ugly.
Man.
These fucking guys know what they're doing, dude. Man, I hate Drew. I hate this shit. I know. Good job locking. Let's get some locks in the chat for Lawrence, please. He's
Man,
frustrated. He's doing what he's
fuck
supposed
those
to do.
locks.
He's doing what he's supposed to do. I respect it, Lawrence.
This shit's annoying.
I respect it. I really do. God, I can't believe that didn't break the highs, dude. That was ridiculous. Good job. Good job. Or maybe you log me. I might take one more. Let's see. We're coming into 11 a.m. I got VWAP. I got New York QQQ VWAP right here, and this 38% fib, which is really interesting. So I'm kind of interested in trying this long again. Oh, I'm trying this. If this closes, yeah.
Order filled.
Let's see. I'm gonna go 290 on the stop here. Super tight stop.
That shit's going to 190, bro. If that shit turn around right here, I'm gonna be so pissed.
You get to push through here and
It might turn around right here.
yeah,
That shit, yeah, I'm looking at your chart. That looks pretty decent.
looks really decent. I need a bigger push though. It's not really getting a big push. But it did just test QQQ VWAP and this 38% fib.
That looks good, bro.
So it's a good attempt.
This looks good.
That would be the trap and a half also, if this works. I don't know. I feel like it might wash out one more time. I'm going to put my stop at the bottom of this candle right here, 365. Let's see if we can get it. It was 2 minute. Looking a little bit better here on the 2. No, no, no. Can they fight through this? Can they do it? Can they do it, ladies and gentlemen?
I think they can. I think it looks good, bro.
They might. We'll see.
It looks good.
Let's see. It's fighting too much. There's no follow through, which I don't like. Really just like that. Here comes 11 a.m. Either just to fucking nuke me or follow through and do what it needs to do. It's just the lack of follow through here does not give me confidence. But I kind of like this, these tails. I kind of like that. Because everyone off this candle expects this to dump lower. And if it doesn't, everyone goes, fuck, and it's like the double trap. And we just swept these lows here into the fit. This is good. I'm gonna, if this doesn't work, that's it. I'm just gonna lock out. But if this does work, I'm content with the attempt. I'm gonna go for obviously high day on this at least. Go towards 300s. Just let's see. Let's see. Tricky. Yeah, no, this wants to take me out, dude. This holds right here. This could be a good little hold of this 2-minute bar. It's low. Hold this low. That'd be nice. Hold it. 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 Okay. It's not looking like it's going to hold it. This looks awful.
Yeah, I saw that short. That when I called that short, when I told somebody to take 3 minis to the short. Yeah, 190s. Yeah, 190s.
187.25 is my stop. And I'm just about out here. Oh my edge. Oh my edge. No fucking way this holds here.
It holds. It holds.
If this holds.
It holds.
If this, oh my God. Did we all see that? Did you guys just see that?
It holds.
Did you guys just see that? It actually.
Hold on. Wait till she closes. Wait till she closes. Wait till she closes.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Oh my God. This is the entry model. Look at this. If this holds here, I need to add. Do I add?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. All right.
I'm adding.
Order filled.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm just adding 2.
Order filled.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. I like how we both knew. We're like, you got to add.
Yeah.
This is great, Taylor. We'll see. Let's see. I love this fucking failed attempt to go lower here. If this holds, and the fact that they didn't stop me, holy fucking shit, dude.
Yeah, I like this.
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness.
I like this. That's the entry model.
That is it. This should go. This should work.
I'm looking at 270s.
Yeah.
No, I'm not in the trade. My shit locked.
Just a subtle break of the highs. Dude, this Collective VWAP on Qs looks so fucking nice on my other screen. Oh my God, I wish you guys could see it. Well, I guess it lines up here actually perfect. This MNQ VWAP right here, this is the same as New York VWAP, just the way it's lined up on my screen right now. And this is like the epitome of my entry, my setup. This is the epitome of Collective VWAP.
I had the wrong. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna write that down.
Let's see if this falls through. It's got to follow through here. If it doesn't, I'm like, oh man, that was such a good try.
Yeah, that was a good.
That's all I'm going to say. That's all I can say. Like, oh man, that was a good try.
That was a good attempt. Like, I'm looking at if you go to a 30-second chart, like, why wouldn't you try that? Look at the 30-second chart.
I know.
Scroll it up a little bit, get away from the volume bars. Yeah, like, why wouldn't you try that long? Look at that.
Yeah, that looks good, bro.
Look at that. Look at the 755 candle. Look at that. Yeah, those two. Or the 750. Yeah, those two. And then sweep.
The sweep here.
Yeah. Yeah, like why
literally the tap but no fill is crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy.
The tap but no fill is actually insane. If this can hold, and this might just all be for nothing here. Look, we're rejecting on the 3-minute. This hammer, this might go off the whole thing.
It might be straight. I think it might be straight. Got to retest a little bit. It might be straight.
I don't know. I'm gonna leave the stop. I'm not fucking touching it at all. But very decent attempt if it works. I don't like how the 5-minute bar closed either. A little sus on this top tail here. A little sussed out on it. We gotta get back to 20s, bro. This is the bottom of the structure. This isn't looking good. I don't know. It's gonna work now.
For a second. She might just need a little bit of need to breathe a little bit.
I'll let her fully breathe. It's either she's gonna stop me out or go to PT at this point. I'm not fucking touching it. I'm not gonna overthink this. I just definitely don't like that it's retesting the 220 and just failed here. That's just could be a really big trap. And again, what I don't like about these straight up days, everyone is looking for a pullback and then they just do some bullshit like this and then finally drift it and kill it. So that's my problem here. But I really wanted 320s to be tested. It made so much sense. But you can't always get what you want.
I still got confidence in it.
I don't know. I don't like the 5. I need this 5-minute just I have to have it break the top of this bar. If it doesn't, this is just classic, like fucking tail comatose. Take me out bullshit. Yeah, I think this is going to fail, dude. I don't know. Doesn't look good to me anymore at all. No. Man, come on. Hold it. Fucking hold it, dude.
Yeah, give it a second.
Man. Been saying at the top of that, wanted to retest opening range high, so location here was great. Yeah. Not a bad attempt. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to be like, I don't think it's a bad attempt. I think what I don't like is, again, when we have this huge rip like this, everyone's looking for a pullback, and therefore they just eventually drift it and do a bunch of bullshit like this. So that's what's tough for me, really tough for me. But also, the other side of the coin is such a big move, pulls back to VWAP, it kind of resets, and all the buyers want to get in near VWAP. So definitely have two sides of the coin here. I'm just going
to close it. You close above 220, that'll look good.
Yeah.
Close above 220, that'd be beautiful.
Let's see. Let us see. Maybe.
Get back above 220s, man. That look really good.
220s would look really fantastic here. I don't know. It's pretty weak still.
Okay, I gotta call it 12.
Attempting.
Yeah, it's attempting.
Got 15.
It does not look bad.
15
seconds, about
5-minute bar. Let's see. 10 seconds left. Get one more little push higher here. Close it high and then continue it.
There you go.
Okay.
There we go. That was good.
Don't engulf these wicks, these tails. Fucking take it past 220, dude. I don't know.
Handle by candle.
I'm so sussed by this, dude. I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, 5 minute look horrible.
Yeah, it's like once we engulf both of these, it's just done. It's just smoked.
US dollar poised to resume downtrend amid weak data. Rising rate cut dash. Bets. Rising rate cut bets.
Yeah, this looks fucking doo-doo, dude. Within these fucking tails, dude, this is awful. I should have already gone. It's not gonna do it.
There you go.
It's trying. So I don't know, man. Everything else
There
is
you go.
everything
Hold
else is
on.
pushing decent. Retest the 200 there.
Okay, I like this.
Okay. Looking a little bit better. And needs to get above 220 and close. We got to close above this
I think you're
225.
good. I think you're good because I probably would have entered this long at 215s to be honest with you.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I think you're good, Tony.
Ain't over till it's over.
Yeah, if you lose this, then that's just a good loss.
Mhm.
That's just a good loss.
15-minute hammer, but still in the 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah, let's go through some other time frames. Let's see. Let's go to 15.
I think look at the 2 minute. The 2 minute looks really good. Look at the 2 minute.
Yeah, I have the 2 minute on my other screen. I see it. It does look really good. But I'm just trying to zoom out. I don't want to get so lost in the sauce of these small time frames. But yeah, this does look good. That's why like this should be the low, the extreme low. But
Yeah.
15-minute, this needs to close as a hammer in the next 3 minutes for this to really, really work and look good. How's a 30? 30, yeah, if we can get a push back up here with the 30, this would look good too. Hourly, same thing, kind of. This is just a small little pullback. We barely break the low of this candle. We hold, we go back towards the highs. Good.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's pretty much it. 4 hours, just whatever. Let's see. See, I don't know, dude. I'm not convinced.
I understand.
You know?
Yeah, no, I get it. Because I mean, this is just a tricky area, bro. Because I can give you every reason why we would go short, but I could also give you decent reasons why we can continue to go long.
Sure. The cool thing is YM is new high a day, RTY is new high a day, ES is really close to high a day. Give me a team push here. Be nice. I wish that little pop that happened here when we pushed higher happened like closer to the end of this candle. I don't like when it does the mid bar like that. That's my problem with this type of shit. See, all I see this on the 2 minute is this failing, unfortunately. My eyes literally just see this here. It's going like, that's
You
all I
said
can,
my
that's all I
my
can
eyes
see.
are closed.
That's all I can see.
Yeah.
I just gotta let it trade though. It is just probabilities. I don't know. It's gonna be one or the other. But now bars like this, my eyes like, okay, well that should be extreme low. We are sitting patient.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna take a minute to turn back long, but the support here rejecting opening range high is nice. Yeah, it is. Just gotta let it trade. Definitely taking a hot minute.
It does not, like, the longs don't look bad. I'm telling you, it don't. Like,
Yeah.
but it's
I see it. I see both, bro. I absolutely see both for sure. I just think the amount of tails here that just keep getting bumped here and stopping, that's what I don't like. I need to see a push above 225 to get some confidence here. But we're not getting that. They're just rejecting it, which is an indicator of weakness. Now this 2 minute looks terrible. See, this is fucked. Who knows? I'm just gonna
no,
follow.
yeah. They are smacking that shit down, bro.
They are smacking the fuck out of it down. I hate it. Dislike. Extremely dislike. What's gonna happen? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, if the long fails, still a great trade idea. Yeah, if it fails, it's just unfortunate. I'm just like, oh, that sucks. Looks like it's gonna fail. Yeah, this tape's pretty heavy. Yeah, they're just fucking. Yeah, this is gonna take it out, dude. I think it's done. Pretty sure this is done here. Unless it holds literally right here. You're the only saving grace. You're the only saving grace here. Oh man.
I tell you.
I tell you.
For real, bro.
I'm just trading my setup. That's all I'm doing here. I'm just trading my setup. I'm letting it breathe. I'm letting it work. Trying to. Just not getting a lot of love.
Great way to start the month of August.
It's fucking god awful price action. Told you one of those days you miss the opening drive and then you just get stuck in fuckery the whole rest of the day. Yeah, dude, this thing's gonna come sweep this. This is too weak. No, this looks so done. It's done. Pretty much done. I lose.
It's okay. Yeah, hold on. It might be doing something here.
This would be ridiculous if this holds. This would be ridiculous, redonkulous if this holds. This could hold. This could hold right here. This could hold.
Could.
Could. 2 minute looks a little bit better now. I'd want to add
Mm-hmm.
if I wasn't already sized appropriately. This is where I
And if
would
you were to add to it, this would be it.
where you would add. If you were to add.
Oof. Smack right back down. They are smacking that shit, brother.
Smacking the shit out of it, bro.
Jeez.
Every fucking time, man. Yeah,
Man, every attempt.
that's it. All right. That's
My
for sure.
God.
No fucking way.
My God. Every attempt, bro.
Every attempt, bro. It's crazy, man. Smack the shit out of it.
That's why I hate these opening drives, bro. This is
Fucking
like
hate,
they
man.
are horrid.
I think what makes this worse is how long it's taken to stop me out.
Yeah. It's like if you're gonna do it, bro, just do it,
Fucking
man.
do it. Take me out, dude. I'm over it. You guys suck.
That's what evokes tilt. It's like when they sit there and they kind
Oh,
of like play with you a little bit. Like, bro, if you're gonna do it, like do it. Stop teasing me. Stop making me feel like there's hope here.
yeah, literally. You give me a little bit of hopium every time, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking
Miss said
ridiculous.
fuck. He said fuck trading. Yeah, it's one of those days.
Yeah, dude. Fucking whack. Watch this fucking sweep me and take me out, then go. One
Oh,
extra
this
shot.
shit just might go right now.
Maybe this does. No,
Give us some hopium.
batted down
Hopium.
hundreds, batted down at the 200s again. Every fucking time, dude.
Hopium.
Dude, fucking give it something. Give it some life here. Come on. Bid. Bid it up. No, this shit's just so heavy, dude. They just keep
They're trying
smacking
to
it.
they're trying to invoke it. They're trying to invoke emotions.
You know. I literally think they're gonna sweep me and then it's gonna hold, bro. I kid you not. I think that's what's gonna happen.
Bro, I think that if it takes you out, I think that's just gonna die. I think it's gonna go a little bit lower. Because I mean, you are the sweep. You see what I'm saying? Like if you are the sweep and it takes you out, then yeesh.
It's
And to
fucking
be honest, if I'm looking at like if I would I didn't even I think I did a low key in an impulsive trade. Like if I were to follow my system and I'm looking at a hindsight, I probably would have gone short.
I
I mean,
think
because it's low key kind of a change of a character. It's kind of change of character right here. Oh, we're pumping.
look at this. Okay, look at
It could
this.
be a change of character right here and then go
Go.
back further down.
Are you just gonna smack all this down or what? Or is this gonna fucking hold? Is pullback to VWAP going to hold? Is pullback to VWAP going to hold? You might be good, dude. Maybe. I don't know. If I don't at this point, I'm gonna be like, these guys suck, dude. They're just fucking toying with me on this shit, dude. Come on, give me some saving grace here. Give us a fucking pop.
I think you might be good, brother.
It might work now. It might fucking work. Imagine if you're short. I mean, because if you're short down here, now you're going, oh fuck. That's what I like to think. What's the other side saying now? Everyone that just shorted
Yeah.
this short down here is going, oh shit. Right? Like that's all I keep thinking.
It's looking good.
Okay. Wow. Is this going to work? Is this both sides are pissed? Yeah, you're right. Both sides are real pissed. Mish, this is why I don't overmanage trades though. I just let them fucking play out because situations like this, if this does play out in my favor, I'm just happy I just didn't touch it. Because if this works, it's going to break probably high a day and go to 300s. Or this is just another lower high. And they're like, yeah, nah, we're sorry. Like this candle right here. Both sides are pissed indeed, dude.
I'm looking at the 5 minute chart. I would go long on this.
Yeah. I took the original entry with you and got stopped and re-entered and just full of regrets this whole time. Damn. Are you in right now? You re-entered?
For me?
No, I'm talking about Mish.
I'm about to say I'm locked.
I know you are. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see.
Yeah, this 5 minute looks good, bro. I would have went long on this 5 minute chart. Look at that 5 minute chart, bro. That looks beautiful.
I know it does look a lot better now. Finally starting to look better.
That looks good, bro. That 5 minute chart, I would take that long all day, every day.
Yeah. Let's see. In the nutshell, so everyone can see what I'm seeing. Look at this. Check this out. Might be better for your guys' eyes.
Oh, you're good, brother. I would have taken this long any day of the week.
Top right corner, guys. That's what I was watching. QQQ, pull back to VWAP. Look at it. That's a strategy, my friends. Extension, pull back, holds, goes higher. Ideally, that's what happens, hopefully. But this is the problem here. You got this 220 level. This is what we've been bopping into on MQ. This is what's tricky. Super, super tricky here. So we'll see. We will see. By the way, Mish, your stats review from July really opened my eyes. 30% hit rate and still getting paid consistently is amazing work. Thank you. I appreciate that. I know it's really different from Kyle. So Lawrence, Mish is like an OG in Authenticus trades with me. So we both like he's actually I think a moderator in on Authenticus, but we're both mentored by Kyle, and Kyle has this really high hit rate, like 90-95%. He's fucking amazing. But it's just like, you know how me and you trade, Lauren, it's just not really like our style. Like I like to let trades fully work.
Yeah.
So yeah, 30%. I know it's hard. Like you'll see me take paper cuts and these little losses all the time. But yeah, we both went full time at the same time. That's right, we did. Sick. Misha's an OG. He's an OG. Let's see. Can we get a fucking push here, dude?
Mm-hmm.
It was a nice bounce off VWAP that finally kind of held. So
I mean, this looks good. Like the 5 minute, I can't describe to you how good this 5 minute chart looks, in my opinion.
It does look decent. I like this. It's 15-minute. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
All right, look at this. Not terrible. Not terrible. About to close in 1 minute. This next bar can go. So how about the 30?
Bro, these guys are really beating this shit to the ground.
They're really fucking with me, dude, and it's pissing me off.
Really with the fucking bat, bro.
Yeah,
like they are really beating this shit down with a fucking bat, bro. I'm not lying.
About to wipe all of us, bro. I'm about to wipe everyone. Both sides get hurt.
They're beating this shit with a bat, brother. I'm still confident in the long, but shit, bro.
I don't know, dude. I don't got confidence in it at all. I got no confidence in this unless it breaks 225. That's the problem. This fucking range is awful. These fucking guys are just terrible, dude. Like, come on. I know you want 300. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it. Digest and go. Digest and go. Digest and go. Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm glad I wiped my hands with this session.
Yeah, I'm really proud of you for doing that. Because this is just fucking terrible. Like, actually terrible, man. I gotta let the strategy, but man, this is not how I wanted to do it. Not how I wanted to do it. Okay, looking a little bit better here.
Yeah, no, I'm convicted. I told you that 5 minute chart looks
Yeah,
amazing. That 5 minute chart looks amazing, bro. I think that shit is gonna at least go to 278.
yeah, this looks micro higher low.
Yeah.
Please. At Strong Trading, can I ask what you expect the day to day to look like in the Discord? So day to day is like, well, pretty much pre-market game plans every single morning, trade recaps, either one for me or Lawrence, pretty much every day. Bunch of resources and stuff. A lot of people just like supporting each other and helping each other, asking questions about setups, asking questions about the market, asking questions about processes, back end processes, all that type of stuff. But again, like the real value is the group coaching. It's like the 2 calls per month group coaching sessions. That's going to be where a lot of like the sauce comes in. The cool part, like I said, is you get access to group coaching and you get access to the Discord with the supportive trading community all in one. So that's why it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything, which is pretty cool. And that's why we wanted to make it unique in that sense. Because, like I said, most people either have group coaching and then they have a Discord and then they have this. But it's like we're just like we want to do all of it in one for the same price because so many people charge way more than we're even charging. So it's $99 a month for the intro special. You do have to pay for an annual subscription in order to get that deal. But if you want to do month to month, it's $159 a month. So month to month, cancel anytime, whatever you want. Most Discords out there without group coaching or anything are around like 175 a month, 200 a month, and that's without even the coaching. So that's why we're doing this like we're doing it. Good question, Casey. Dude, these guys are fucking.
Yeah, I got like 50, I got like 10 minutes left here. Like
Yeah,
really 5 because
fail whenever you want.
yeah, bro, I'm about to get off here because I don't want to keep looking at this and then I got a call in about 20 minutes. Yeah. All
Well,
right.
you
I'll see
still
y'all tomorrow.
all right, peace. I'll see
All
you.
right, bro.
I'll sit in this for another 30 minutes with you guys. Oh my god, wait. That's right. I have an appointment. I can't.